Hello YouTube, it's Gare for more sound. Today I have revisited my Arduino iPhone notification system. Not Bluetooth. It uses strobe detection. Here is the external alert circuit controlled by Arduino pin 10. Then we have some more LEDs for indicating the type of alert. And over here we have, this is a new piece of circuitry here. That is the iPhone remote control circuit. Part of the iPhone remote control circuit. Here is the buzzer attached to pin 9. By the way, the control pin is attached to pin 8. And here is the light sensor attached to pin 2. Some new buttons attached to pins 3 and 4. We did not have any alert buttons here. See, we got this button controls the play, pause, and resets notifications. Over here, this is the next track. We are going to send an alert to my phone via my computer. And this should be responding. Yeah. External alert and other alert lights are on. Over here it says other alert. I'm going to reset that. Next we're going to send a iMessage. There's a green light there. Also the external alert light is on as well. And over here it says iMessage. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. I'll reset. Next we have the there's yellow light on. Over here it says phone call. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see that. My watch to stop vibrating because it's annoying. I'm going to try to get this reset. You have to hold the button. It will also answer the call if it's still there. This is part of the iPhone remote control that I was referring to. I've substituted the 6.8K for a 10K because I don't have a 6.8K. There's the bell. And there we go, reset that bell because it's annoying. There's my notification history if you're interested. And here is the code here. There's a lot of stuff going on here. See the sensor pins, button pins, LED pins, sound pin, control pin, all that. Then there's the pulse counter and some other states. There's the pin modes if you want to look at that. And the serial code. There's the detection stuff. And there is here's where the magic happens here. Let me go down here. here's the things that control reading the buttons. Here's the actual control functions. If I can get it to, if I can get my computer to cooperate. Play, pause, next, track, and the various sound effects, and there's the sound effects. The timer sound is not used because I was gonna have a timer sound, but I couldn't get it to work right. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support me by buying from my eBay or Mercari stores. Both links in the description. Goodbye. I'll show you the lights going, cycling through. That's some glitches that I haven't fixed. There shouldn't be more than one light on at a time. Once this resets, goodbye.